Loving this cute 3-bedroom over in historic St. Andrews.
And we talk about St. Andrews a lot with all that fine dining and that fun atmosphere in the artsy district. Let's go check it out.
Let's go. Open concept living space off of the kitchen with LVP throughout. You've got the perfect sized kitchen with cabinetry and a lot of natural sunlight coming in.
Three bedrooms are just the right size. A nice laundry and this added little extra flex space. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like these.